वेलकम एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के एक सब्जेक्ट एडवांस वेल्डिंग के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। आज हम पार्ट 16 को डिस्कस करेंगे। शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मटेरियल प्रॉपर्टीज शुड मैच बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग टू कंपोनेंट बाई अ ट्रांसमिशन वेल्डिंग मेथड? Option A, electrical properties. B, thermite properties. C, weldability. D, tensile strength. Option B is correct, thermal property. Next question. Transmission welding mode is used for the material that fill in the blanks. Option A, transmit near infrared radiation. B, have a high heat capacity. C, have lower melting points. D, absorb infrared radiation. Option A is correct, transmit near infrared radiation. Now see the explanation. The energy transmission mode of the conduction welding is used with material that transmit near infrared radiation, notably polymers. Absorption on infrared radiation has nothing to do with weldability of materials. Next question. In transmission welding mode, absorbing ink is placed at the interface of the lap joint for fill in the blank. जब हम ट्रांसमिशन वेल्डिंग करते हैं तो एब्जॉर्बिंग इंक पेस्ट मतलब डाला जाता है एंड एट द इंटरफेस जहाँ पे लैप जॉइंट की ज्वाइनिंग की जाती है। ऑप्शन है हमारे एब्जॉर्बिंग द लेज़र बीम एनर्जी, बी कूलिंग द वर्क मेटल, सी प्रोटेक्टिंग द वेल्ड पडल, डी रिड्यूसिंग द प्रोसेस टाइम। ऑप्शन ए एब्जॉर्बिंग लेज़र बीम एनर्जी। नाउ सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. An absorbing ink is placed at the interface of a lap joint. The ink absorbs the laser beam energy, which is conducted into a limited thickness of surrounding material to form a molten interfacial film that solidifies as the welded joint. Next question. Butt weld can be made using transmission mode of conduction welding by option A, melting the outer surface of the joint. B, directing the energy toward the joint. C, applying the ink to the joining the surface before welding. D, using the filler material. Option B is correct, directing the energy toward the joints. Now see the explanation. Butt welds can be made by directing energy toward the joint line at an angle through material at one side of the joint or from one end of the material is highly transmissive. Also the thick thickness section lap joint can be made without melting the outer surface of the joints. Next question. In which of the following process the laser beam is used to melt a filler addition? किस फॉलोइंग वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस में द लेज़र बीम जो होती है उसको यूज़ किया जाता है एज ए फिलर एडिशन? नाउ ऑप्शंस आर लेज़र ड्रिलिंग, लेज़र कटिंग, लेज़र वेल्डिंग, लेज़र सोल्डरिंग. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, लेज़र सोल्डरिंग. In the laser soldering and brazing process, both soldering and brazing process, the beam is used to melt filler addition, which wets the edges of the joint without melting the base material. Next question. Penetration welding is characterized by option A, tamper drill. B, irregularity in the weld. C, parallel sided fusion zone. D, planar weld. Option C is correct, parallel side fusion zone. Now see the explanation. At higher power densities, all the material evaporate if the energy can be absorbed. Thus, the welding in this way, a hole is usually formed by evaporation. This hole is then transferred through the material with the molten wall sealing up behind it. Next question. Laser welding efficiency can be calculated by the formula. Option A, velocity into thickness by power, velocity into power by thickness, power into thickness by velocity, velocity into thickness into power. Option A is correct, velocity with product of thickness divided by power. Now see the explanation. Efficiency is equal to V into T by P, where V is the transverse speed, means velocity in mm per second, T is the thickness of the weld in mm, and P is the incident power in kilowatt. Next question. The heat source intensity for the laser beam welding lies in the range option 18 to the 5 to 10 to the power 7 10, B option 10 to the power 10 to the minus 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 10 to the 10 to the power 12, D option 10 to the power 12 to 10 to the power 14. Option C is correct, 10 to the power 10 to 10 to the power 12. There are different welding process and their intensity of wave welding laser are ranging are given below. You now see the explanation. Next question. The joining efficiency and the energy spent during the welding process are directly proportional. Option A true, B false. Option A is true. The given statement are true. The higher the voltage of the joining efficiency, the less energy is spent on the unnecessary heating. Therefore, lower heat affected zone, lower distortion in the workpiece. Next question. Resistance welding has the smallest heat affected zone as compared to the welding process. A true, B false. Now given statement are false. In resistance welding is most efficient in this respect because the fusion and the heat affected zone energy is only generated at the high resistance interface to be welded. Laser and electron beam welding also have good efficiency and higher power density. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए प्लीज़ आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द न्यू वीडियोज़. थैंक यू सो मच.